Welcome back to the Hue News, your weekly slice of 3D printing updates, making news, and a little bit of color inspiration. I'm Rav, and I'm giving the name Hue News a try this week. It's a bit snappier than Hue Report, but you can tell me which one you prefer in the comments below. And if you're enjoying the weekly roundups, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It generally helps the channel grow. So let's jump in to the stories. BIQU has officially revealed the BIQU Vivid, a new multicolor material system designed to bring high color 3D printing to almost any open source Klipper printer. It launches on the 17th of November, priced at $299, with shipping starting in January 2026. The Vivid will support up to 16 colors by linking 4 units together, giving creators the flexibility that's usually reserved for more expensive systems. It will also feature automated material feeding, continuous printing plus break detection, built-in drying while printing, RFID smart detection. At $299, it is a strong competitor to systems like the Bambu Lab AMS, but with more color capacity and far greater flexibility. Anycubic has revealed the Kobra S1 Max Combo, a large format enclosure CoreXY printer aimed at high performance multi-material printing. It offers a 350 by 350 by 350 build volume and a 350 degrees hardened steel hot end, and supports up to 16 colors. Two standout features that set it apart are the active filament drying while printing and the 65 degrees active heated chamber. Early adopters can pay a £50 deposit to get $100 off the early bird price. The official launch date is November the 25th. Anycubic is clearly stepping into the high-end multi-material space with this release. The winter 2025 color trends lean into warm, grounded, nature-inspired tones, perfect for seasonal decor and 3D printed designs. The key shades include deep spruce green, rich and calming, burnt umber, earth and sophisticated, plum and wine, bold and elegant, and peach ash neutrals, which are soft, cozy, and versatile. These colors pair beautifully with matte and textured 3D print finishes, ideal for trays, vases, candle holders, and winter decor. For our featured story this week, we're taking a closer look at Elegoo's new update on the Centauri Carbon, because while it reads like a normal delay announcement, there's a lot more happening underneath. Elegoo confirms the Centauri Carbon is still not ready. They continue to work on firmware stability, high temperature behavior, carbon fiber compatibility, and overall reliability. These are core systems, which means the printer is still in heavy development. Elegoo didn't provide a new delivery window. When dates are avoided completely, it often means delays are larger than expected, internal timelines have shifted, and they cannot confidently commit. So it's not a cancellation, but it's a significant delay. To address buyers' frustration, Elegoo offered 3 choices: a $50 filament coupon, minimum spend required, more helpful for Elegoo than customers, a 1-year extended warranty, reassuring but doesn't solve the core issue, $80 of the Centauri Carbon 2, which is released in Q1 2026. And this was the part that surprised everyone. This is a highly unusual suggestion: deeper delays, possible hardware redesigns, and shifting priorities within Elegoo. Not a rug pull, but definitely a sign of a changing roadmap. The Reddit community reacted strongly with comments like, "What happened to the AMS? CC1 owners have got nothing. Not a single firmware update since June. And this feels like a rug pull. Most users aren't accusing Elegoo of quitting the project, but may feel like clarity is lacking. One of the biggest concerns is what Elegoo didn't mention: no AMS update, no timelines, and no confirmations. This silence is fueling most of the frustration. So here's the realistic view. Elegoo hasn't abandoned the Centauri Carbon, but the update confirms deeper delays, shifting plans, and a longer wait time than expected. The early mention of Carbon 2 shows Elegoo is already planning ahead, while Carbon 1 still needs significant work. And that wraps up the Hue News. I'm still trying out the name Hue News instead of Hue Report, so let me know which one you think sounds better. Your feedback generally helps shape this series. If you're enjoying today's updates, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. And thanks for watching. and I'll see you guys in the next one.